Imagine a place on Earth so freaky that even Mars says, nope, not going there. The pressure here makes gym equipment look weak. Welcome to the deep sea trenches, eternal darkness, monster fish, and pressure worse than a mother-in-law at dinner. For centuries, humans stared at the stars. Wow, what's up there? But under our feet is a totally alien world. The ocean isn't just water, it's an X-Files portal, just without Mulder and Scully. No sunlight here, it's freezer cold, and the water pressure crushes steel like a soda can. And yet life says, whatever, we'll live. Fish glow, microbes eat chemicals, and the whole ecosystem runs without Wi-Fi. Exploring the deep is like going to another planet. But forget rockets, just grab a bolted barrel that won't pop at 1,000 atmospheres. Every dive is a challenge. Guess what's behind door number darkness? In 1960, two brave guys, Jacques Piccard and Don Walsh, said, let's go, and dived 11 kilometers in the Trieste. The vessel creaked like an old couch, but they survived and proved it's possible. They stayed down there less time than we spend on TikTok. Half a century later, James Cameron, the guy who made Titanic, took himself on a solo tour of the Mariana Trench in a one-man sub, face to face with the darkness. Apparently, Hollywood wasn't enough. But human visits are rare. Robots do most of the work. Tiny drones filming ocean horror shows with GoPros. Through their eyes, we see ghost fish and endless mud plains. Basically Netflix for ocean nerds. Still, less than 20% of the ocean floor is mapped. The rest is a blank spot on the map. Could be new ecosystems, buried treasure, or a giant crab boss from a video game. Deep sea residents are their own cult. Anglerfish with 4 headlamps, like they came straight from a 90s disco. Giant squids, once a myth, now confirmed party crashers in the dark. Some shrimp live in boiling hot volcano vents. Boiling water. And microbes munch not on sunlight, but minerals. True gourmets. Forget light, bring us sulfide soup. Scientists find organisms that shrug off pressures that crush submarines. These guys thrive and probably laugh at our deep sea fears. Their DNA might hold recipes for new meds and armor. The ocean feels like it wrote its own book of evolution. We're still on page 1, and already it's full of monsters, plot twists, and cliffhangers. HBO could never. Ocean pressure rises 1 atmosphere every 10 meters. At the bottom of the Mariana Trench, that's over 1,000. Imagine 15 jumbo jets sitting on you at once. Don't try this at home. That's why bath escapes are built like tanks shaped as spheres. Thick walls to survive the madness. Looks like a giant Kinder Surprise egg, but with no chocolate inside. Even with tech, there's a catch. Communication. Radio doesn't work down there, so it's cables, sonar, or just letting a drone wander off. Each dive takes years, a sack of money, and nerves of steel. But the reward is worth it. Every expedition finds something new. Weird creatures, crazy rock formations, or climate time capsules.
But the reward is worth it.
The seafloor is
Every
basically
expedition
Earth's
finds
library,
something new.
just
Weird
underwater.
creatures.
And yet, over 80% of the ocean is still a mystery. We know the moon's surface better than our own seafloor. Our space neighbors are clearer than our watery ones. Why does it matter? Because the ocean runs our weather, stores carbon, and keeps Earth balanced. If it sneezes, we get hurricanes. It might also give clues about life in the universe. If creatures thrive in crushing darkness here, they'd feel right at home on Europa or Enceladus. Space and the ocean, brothers from another mother. So how deep can we go? With tech, to the bottom. Without it, just a couple hundred meters, and that's on hard mode. The real limits aren't physics, but our brains, wallets, and willpower. The ocean is Earth's last epic quest. And that's awesome. The age of discovery isn't over.